Hey guys, in this video I have two pours that I want to show you. I was feeling some pinks and purples for these canvases, so I pulled out some of the colors that I have and I got to mixing. My pouring medium today is a combination of Floetrol and Amsterdam pouring medium. I've only really used the Amsterdam once before, and I'm not real sure if I got a weird batch or if it's just the nature of it. But when I was using it alone with paint, I got this weird consistency. The way it moved kind of reminded me of oobleck. You know, the kind when you mix cornstarch and water and get a non-Newtonian fluid? That's kind of what the Amsterdam alone reminded me of. Anyways, I decided to mix it with some Floetrol and give it a go that way. On the first canvas, I put down a coat of Tommy Art gold paint first. I didn't let it dry completely as I wanted to use it as a base to slide my paints around. Since these are all semi-transparent paints, I think that there's a possibility that some of it pops through once it dries, but we'll have to wait and see. I'll go ahead and post pictures on Instagram once everything's dry. After I poured and stretched the paints, I used my torch to break apart the cells. If you do this, make sure you're making quick sweeping motions with your torch and not staying in one place. The paint can and will burn if you're not careful. After the first canvas, I still had enough of my colors mixed up that I decided I'd go ahead and show you. Even when you're using exact same colors, you can get vastly different results depending on the pour you do. For this one, I'm using a wooden canvas. I thought that a swipe would give me the most dramatic difference in results, so that's what I went ahead with for the second one. After laying my colors down, I take my gold mixed with Floetrol and 2 drops of silicone oil and pour it along the top of the colors. I'm simply using a slightly damp paper towel to drop down into the gold and pull down and over the other colors. The results are pretty fantastic. The point I wanted to make to you today is that even if you don't have a ton of different paints to start out with, you can get extremely different results. I mean, realistically, every single pour you are going to do is going to be unique, even if you're using the same technique. That's just the nature of fluid art. The best you can hope for is controlled chaos. But if you're just starting out and you don't want to buy a lot of colors or you just can't afford to yet, don't worry. You still will be able to get totally unique pours even if you're using the same color palette within each canvas. I hope you guys enjoy these pours. I have to say, I think I like the second one the best. The contrast of the gold veins running through the pinks and purples just makes everything stand out so well. If you get a second, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm still a growing channel, so every little bit of your support helps. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!